Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the Tradescantia, or also called Wandering Dude. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Start by cutting pieces of stem about 10 centimeters long. Preferably cut in the middle between two growing points. These growing points are located at the point where the leaf is attached to the stem. The species I am making cuttings from are the Tradescantia fluminensis and Tradescantia zebrina. You can root this plant in water or directly in potting soil. To do this, remove the bottom leaves from the cuttings. New roots can be formed on these spots where you remove the leaves. Place the cuttings in a sunny spot and make sure they get enough water. 3 weeks later, the plants should be rooted. Gently lift them to see if they are indeed rooted. The cuttings in the water have grown enormous roots. Repot these in pots with an airy potting soil mixture. Thank you for watching this video on the propagation of this plant, the Tradescantia. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out these videos that are shown here on the side. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!